everybody, today's a very quick video on a new device I've installed in the system. I will set it off quickly. You'll know straight away what it is. So it is a Gent 32775, the sort of optical heat sensor sounder. Effectively the newer version of that, but it doesn't have a set, it doesn't have a sounder. The 3400 head up there, I decided I want something a bit different. It is sitting there. A couple more spare Gent heads and trying to sort out. I wish that S3 would work on that panel, but it keeps sort of you know, double allocated and it starts flashing, does nothing, stops sleeping also. It's a bit annoying, but I will set the system off quickly and you can hear that sounder with the 3400 sounder, but I've put a bit of material inside the to dampen down the sound of the 3400 wall sounder. I think it sounds quite nice. So that's about it. I don't think I have anything else to update you with, but I'm glad to be back in the community, and I am definitely making more videos soon. Going to attempt to get the Kentech fired up again and maybe do a wee quick video on that. I do have, which I am annoyed it doesn't work because the PSG is knackered, a early visual on, but I really hope to get it working, or get PSG or get something, because I really like that panel and was able to get S-Quads to work with it as well. I also have a fair few of those cold points. I might put one on the system, but I'm happy enough with the one S4 for now. I still have the Apollo stuff. Most of it anyway. Got those intelligent call points and on work experience for free, two of them, and those smoke heads, which is quite good. But yeah, it's I like the 3400 stuff in the system. It's something different to, you know, S4 or something like that. Just clear that display. The display is pretty messed up, and put the cover back on. It doesn't hinge anymore. The panel's a bit. Where's inside of it? You can see the loop going in and the power cable. Yeah, it's pretty standard, you know. There's the name. Obviously, the system isn't compliant in any way, but yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see anything else, like the intruder alarm, for example, I'll maybe make a video on that at some point. It is a Galaxy, the best of the best. So I'll update you maybe more if I do anything else. The system, I'll do another system test and do the detectors maybe when I can find my smoke saber. So thanks for watching, and that's it.